Ithaa yaku ya mutigaire Gikunjo ni tabanirio muthi kanitha-ini wa Friends International guku mucii-ini wa Nairobi. Aria othe magithii na mbere na kuhinyiriria ati bururi-ini uritwo ni njamba ya gabira ka maguru na ati Gikunjo egutura aririkanitwo. Ona kuri uguo uria wari Prime Minister guku bururi-ini Raila Odinga ni arandikithia kiaro gia City Stadium kiria kiri guku mucii-ini wa Nairobi ikorwo gigitanio na mutigaire Gikunjo.
The county government and the national government convert the city stadium into a pure soccer stadium and make it and name it the name of Gikunjo. And then he put a statue outside there of Joe, so that the future generation will remember Gikunjo.
Na kukiaro-ini gia kaunti yoyo kocha munene wa timu ya Harambee Starlet arina uma wati nyarari ici ni cigukorwo cikigata tigiti wa guthaka mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia Olympics mwaka ukite.
So we have given new good players in terms of their skills that they have been working within their clubs and within the school games and the Division 1. The only thing as a coach that I should emphasize on is to try to improve their intensity in terms of their technical qualities.
Starlet magatugana na Malawi mweri 28 na makorwo magicokera no mweri wa kenda mwaka uyu. Na muthia kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, timu ya athaki ya aria mari na wathe ya sitting volleyball ni igunikire na nguo cia uthaki kuma kuri grupu ya Gathimba Edward Foundation mbere ya itaitano cia inter-county iri kaunti-ini ya Machakos mweri ukite.
Tumejaribu ni kidogo tu na milango ikifunguka hata zaidi tutawasupport.
Athaki aya makoretwo magitabania meharĩrĩria mao na marĩ cemba gugakorwo makiandĩkithia moimĩrĩra mega handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũgũre wa Karuiru.